We're all looking for a little inspiration. Every day, everywhere across Wales, we're all playing our part, taking those first steps. National Lottery funding is helping us find the thrill of taking part, the rush of sport, being part of a team across an entire range of sports.
Look inside.
And never mind the weather. In 25 years of National Lottery funding, countless lives have been changed.
It's been another fantastic year for Welsh sport, and it just keeps getting better.
From those lacing up their gloves for the first time,
Not in the house.
to those who already have all the moves. National Lottery funding is helping people take part in sport and be active. To be inspired, whatever our chosen sport, this is for all of us.